Clap your hands, everybody. Everybody, clap your hands. Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. So today we are making some turnip greens, and I put a little bit of vegetable broth in them and some organic onions. And we also have some quinoa that was also cooked in the vegetable broth. Now it's pretty much done. I just need to fluff it with my fork. Love quinoa. Alright, and I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like all plated up. Oh yeah, y'all, I forgot to tell you, for the greens, I did put fresh garlic in it as well and fresh onions. I seasoned it with a little bit of salt, pepper, some salt-free Mrs. Dash extra spicy, and I did a once around the pan with some extra virgin olive oil. And what do I mean by that? I basically took and poured it and went around the pan one time, and then I drizzled a little bit in the middle as well. And I also added the vegetable broth. So the greens are just about done, and I'm almost ready to start plating. Alright, so here is our quinoa all plated up. And we're going to go in with a spoonful of greens and put those right on top. Now this could be in a bowl, but I decided to put it on a plate. And lunch is ready. If you decide to make this dish, I hope that you enjoy. Love y'all. Later.